Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations. How to downgrade or roll back iOS on any iPhone device without data loss. Yes, we will see step by steps. And firstly, we will check it out the manually that is your iPhone is recommending to a downgrade or not. If it is not, then of course we will go with another strategy. And what's exactly and how to use it, we will learn here spontaneously. Yes, if unsigned iOS, if you would like to go for the installation a little bit, we will have to especially modify, and then of course unsigned iOS, and this can be also it's a very useful sometimes when we would like to jailbreak of iOS for bypassing of the cloud activation or unlocking, so fixing, so lock to owners. So let's tap on a setting on especially iPhones, and there we will click on a general, and here is a software update, and we will check it out. So now see the manually it is recommending or not, and we will see here. So it has started to check it out. And thereupon, of course, we will see the further. So it's a little bit, it's a taking time, but now it's a function that up to date. We don't have any opportunity to especially downgrade here. So in each condition, we will go for an administration, that is a 3U tool, and here just we will click on a smart flash, connect your data cable, and upon here, see we will refresh it. So currently is it 26.5, no 26.6 hours. So it is fetching a data here. There is a 26.5 is available for this iPhone. So 1.11, so that we can downgrade here. So this is a signed version. Signed version is that is very common that we'll go for select these ones, and here we will start to downloads. And when we start to download, then it will be started to downloads, and after downloading, yes, we will go for the retain user data, and then we will go for access. So easily this will be downgraded, guys. Here if we click on here, then yes, it will ask you to fix battery also doing the flash. So if the batteries are draining also, then we will have to include these ones, and then we will go for flash it manually. You will have to of course require to yes exit from the recovery mode or DFU mode, and then would be especially permitted. But right now I'm going with a especially unsigned iOS here. So how do I do that? We will see. So by similar strategy, we will have to here. So easy flash that one, and it will be. So the firstly we will have to download, guys. That's why. But here we would like to go with the especially unsigned. So unsigned, see, we can check it out here. Click on a firmware, and now when we tap on a firmware, then a lot of the especially the version will be especially the reflected here. Now see, there is this is a specially signed, that is a green dot is a signed version, except these all are unsigned versions. So here we'll go for a specially unsigned version. So how it is, suppose here that we would like to come with 18.6 iOS. So by mistakenly or deliberately you have updated, don't worry, of course you can downgrade it. So now see here, this one's, we will select this one 18.6, and it has quickly started to download. So now see, yes, internet speed is a little bit slow, but now it has started to downloads. So let it complete a download. On the other hand, we will have to come in a toolbox. So of course we will click on a software update and send these files to a space alignment. So now it's trying to send, and successfully we have the send it. Now we have the blocked this and stopped update, and so now we can go for. So it's still downloading, but let's see especially how do you execute. So I will show you. Suppose here on easy flash we can directly without having the verification, we will select the local firmware, and anywhere you have a downloaded, suppose this one I had a downloaded, that is a 10 iOS, just we will select this one. So now see, this is a 16.7 iOS. Now without making delay, we will hit this one and click on it. But retain user data. If you don't want to hack any data, then of course we will have to select the quick flash mode and anti-recovery flash mode. You can also, and if iOS has been damaged in the midst of it, then go with the fix of flash in this ones. And while doing these things here, just we will have to close this iTunes and then we will go for it. So we had already stopped the update and this one's also. So now that we can go for directly. So let's see. Directly we can go for, but we are going with the Swiss Lavas 18 guys who easily it will tie cast layers are asking I am half an hour, so let it complete and then we'll go with it. So by a similar strategy you can go for here hit this one and you would be especially from iOS 26.2 especially see here 26 point especially 6 iOS to 16.7 points 16 hours easily you can go with that especially within one click on by this strategy. So this is all about guys, it will take a time little bit to complete the install I'm the complete downloads and then we'll go for it. So for the any inquiry of course I have the query below the comment box and yes my pleasure would be mine to the reply your query and do a step by step similar strategy. So thank you very much and have a great time guys, bye bye.